Silver Sky Nature Homestay, as the name suggests amid beautiful nature. Homestay is open to sky with fresh air and space. Dining table is in the portico and can accommodate a family of 6. Living room have a sofa and bed, and also have TV with Wi-Fi and UPS for battery backup. Bedroom 1 comes with a queen-size bed and wardrobe. Bedroom 2 comes with a queen-size bed and wardrobe and attached washroom. Kitchen has gas stove and water purifier, and with basic utensils to prepare food. Common bathroom and additional Indian toilet available at the back. We enjoyed the stay here and hope you will enjoy too.